the snack you grab, the shampoo on your shelf, the drink in your hand. Behind every product that reaches a consumer is a chain of decisions made with precision, speed, and data. Welcome to Fast-Moving Consumer Goods, FMCG. And if you want to be the professional keeping this world running, Analytics Learners brings you two powerful career programs: Quality Analyst in Manufacturing and Supply Planning Analyst in the FMCG industry. FMCG is one of the largest, most competitive, and operationally demanding industries on earth, spanning packaged foods, beverages, personal care, and household goods. Every product must meet strict quality standards before leaving the factory. Every replenishment cycle must be planned with precision, so shelves are never empty. Two functions sit at the very heart of this engine: quality management and supply planning. Both are driven by data. Both demand sharp analytical expertise. The Quality Analyst program equips you to monitor manufacturing standards, analyze defect trends, conduct root cause analysis, and drive continuous improvement using SPC, Six Sigma, and Power BI, completed in just 8 weeks at 2 hours a day. The Supply Planning Analyst program trains you to convert demand forecasts into executable supply plans, manage inventory levels, balance capacity constraints, and optimize service levels using ERP, and OP frameworks and advanced analytics across 10 focused weeks. Both programs include an early bird discount of 20%. In FMCG, data analytics is what keeps quality consistent and shelves perpetually stocked. Quality analysts track defect patterns, evaluate process capability, and ensure every product meets food safety and regulatory standards before a single unit reaches the consumer. Supply planning analysts balance demand forecasts against production capacity, monitor inventory movement, and identify risks well before they become shortages. Both paths in fast-moving consumer goods offer outstanding progression. As a quality analyst, you grow from senior analyst to quality manager, plant quality head, and on to director of quality and compliance. As a supply planning analyst, your journey moves from senior planner to supply chain manager, head of planning, and director of supply chain operations. FMCG is where your career scales. Enroll in quality analyst or supply planning analyst in FMCG today and build your future with Analytics Learners. Learn analytics. Launch your career.